Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about comparison operator in Java. So I'm going to create this method. Let's make a comment. So here we have some comparison operator and they are like equal. Then we have not equal, we have greater than, we have less than, we have greater than or equal, and we have less than or equal. So let's learn step by step. First of all, I will say int x is equal to 10. Int y is equal to 20. Here let's say I want to println, and here I'm going to say x is greater than y. So it will actually return me boolean value, so it will return me false. Why? Because x value is not greater than 20, right? But here I have said that x is greater than y, so it will actually show me false. If I run the code, here you can see false. All right, so now let's go for the assignment. Equal operator. Equal means, double equal means the x and y value are same, so it will actually return me false because x and y value are not same. If I run the code, here you can see false. But here if I say 10, then yes, it is true, then it will actually return me true. If I run the code, here you can see true. Now let's go for the next one, and that is, let's say, smaller than, right? Smaller than y. Yeah, it will actually return us true because x value is smaller than y value, right? 10 is smaller than 20. So if I run the code, here you can see true. Now let's go for x is smaller than or equal y. So yeah, it's also true, right? Because the condition is saying that x is smaller than or equal y. X value is equal to y, or x value is smaller than y. Or means if any condition, let's say we have two condition, so if any of the condition is true, then or value will return us true. So here the value will be, it will actually return us true. Okay, if I say, if I run the code, here you can see true. If any of the condition is true, then it will return true. So we have logical operator also, right? In our next video we'll talk about it. Okay, so now here you can see x is smaller than or equal to y. Yes, x is smaller than y, right? So actually one condition actually true, right? So it will actually return true. But here if I say x is greater than or equal y, both condition is wrong, right? X is not greater than y, or x is not equal to y, because x value is 10, so it's not greater than y and not equal to also y. So it will actually return as false. If I say false here, and if I run the code, here you can see the output will be false. And here we have another option, and that is not equal to y. So what do you think? Is it going to return us true or false? True, because x value is not equal to y. Yes, x value is not equal to y, right? Because x value and y value are not same, so this condition is true, so it will actually return us true. If I run the code, here is the output, true. I hope you understand. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.